Outstanding moments and outstanding performances, there were many at Champs 2022, both on the boys' side and on the girls' side. And although it was a hard decision to make, the Maverick was not afraid to go out on a limb and pick my most outstanding performer of Champs 2022. So here we go. My Maverick nod goes to girls class 200 meters champion Kerika Hill from Hydel for that imperious record equaling 11.16 run to win the gold medal. In addition, she returned to smash the class 200 meter hurdles record with a brilliant 12.71 for gold medal number 2 and an age group world record in the event. And for that sprint hurdles, outside of the record and the gold medal, I want you to look at this girl's hurdling technique and tell me which female hurdler anywhere in the world we have seen hurdling this smoothly, at this pace, at this age and stage. I said the answer is none, because there have been none. So all things considered, it's a no-brainer. Of all the super performances at Champs 2022, this young lady, for her brilliant double gold and a superb execution, this was the best performer anywhere at Champs 2022. Anybody out there who can find a better performer, call 119 and report it.